Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. Today I will try to explain to you how you can use a protocol inside a function parameter. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create some protocol. In this example we will use protocol vehicle, which will contain only one single function move. Now we will make some class, let's say car, which does conform to protocol vehicle, and if this class conforms to some protocol, then we need to implement all the functions that inside that protocol. So in this example we need to implement function move. Inside this function we will just print line the car is driving. I will make another class plane, which also conforms to vehicle, and here we will say the plane is flying. Now I will make some function what does vehicle do. Inside parentheses the parameter will be of type protocol, so here we will say vehicle. And in this situation we can use vehicle variable and call move function. So this parameter vehicle is a protocol, and we can call any function that this protocol contains. We will now try to run this function. What does vehicle do? But the first thing is to make some variables. Car, let plane. Now what we can do is pass here, let's say for example car, and run this, and as we can see the car is driving. The reason we can do something like this is because this variable is of type car, and class car conforms to the protocol vehicle. We can do the same thing with variable plane, and it does indeed works. However, we can try to make another class, which will be class boat, and this class won't conform to anything. So it's just a simple normal class which has the same function. And now what we can try to do is, let's say let boat new instance of boat class, and when I try to run this example we will get an error. We can't pass here a boat variable because it does not conform to expected type vehicle. That's it. That's the whole example on how to use protocol as a function parameter, function type. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.